Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the power button of my MI Smart TV. Okay, if we look on the front view of the TV, you cannot see the power button. Okay, first of all I need to shut down the TV first and then take out the power supply. Okay, if we look to that direction on the below view of the TV, you are going to find, you can see here is the power button of the TV. Okay, here is the power button, and you can turn it on by this button without remote control. So now I leave the remote control on the TV, and then I already input the power supply back, and now we just press one button and you will see the MI logo display on the TV screen. Okay, and now it's the TV is turning on back, and on here we don't have another button, only one power button. So let's see how it works and what function can we use with that power button. And now just wait the TV to turn on completely. And now when we press one time, it directly shut down the TV. One time again, it's turn on the TV's back. And when we press hold it on for about 1 second, you can see the some option display on the TV screen. Okay, and just disappear. Okay, so once again press and hold it on. Option again, so we just press one time and it will go to another option: channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down, and input. Okay, so when we press one time again, it will go back. It's not like jump from here to here. It will go to the end and then go back. Okay, and now if I want to select the volume up, I just press and hold it on, and now you can see the volume is going up. Release, press one time again, it changed to another menu. Power off, press hold it on, select the power off. Okay, now we try to select input, and now it's a TV, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and AV. And press hold on to back, and just leave it a few seconds and the menus is disappear. Okay, and that's it. I hope you got the point of where is the power button of this MI TV and how to use it. And now let me say goodbye, saying for your time watching this short video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.